Typhoon Maria has slammed into Iwate Prefecture, Japan, bringing with it a deluge of rain, more than twice the average for the entire month of August in just 24 hours. Streets are flooding and rivers are on the verge of overflowing, prompting emergency alerts across the region. As rescue teams gear up, the threat of landslides looms large, with residents urged to evacuate in high-risk areas. How does Japan manage such extreme weather events, and could this be a sign of changing climate patterns? What would you do if faced with a typhoon like this? Share your thoughts below.